my dear aspirants. It's again very nice to connect with you all. This is again a series of the details of the OLQs that we are covering up. And today I will be covering the fourth of the OLQs out of the four OLQs in the factor 1, which is the planning and organizing. And today I am going to talk about the OLQ called as the power of expression. Again, a very important aspect. This is what we call the communication skills. So very two important aspects that we see here is the clarity with which you can convey your ideas and the ease with which you can express yourself. So ease and clarity are the two important aspects that you cover up in this OLQ. And why we have this OLQ in this factor is because whatever your thoughts are there, whatever your views are there, whatever your opinions are there, whatever your reaction is there, whatever your options are there, if you can't tell it to the others in a clear and easy way, the other person does not understand. So whenever you are talking about this OLQ, your job is not over till the time the other person whom you are telling or talking to does not understand it the way you have thought it to be. So that is where I would like to put the emphasis on this video. And basically in this video, like any other thing in the world where public speaking is involved, wherever you are talking to people and especially from leadership positions, there are four important C's that you have to cover here. The 4 C's concept of public speaking, and please pay lot of emphasis on this. What are these 4 C's? The first of the C's that you have to cover obviously in any kind of talking in the SSB or even in writing, say for a psychological test, the first of the C's is with what confidence are you able to tell whatever you want to say. Second is the communication skill that with which you are saying that, your English or your vocabulary or the way you speak, that will play an important role to make other people understand what you are trying to say. The third of the C's is clarity. Whatever you want to say, have you hit the nail with whatever you want to say, or do you need to explain it again and again, or you are verbose, you are taking too much of words to explain whatever you have to say, or you are talking in monosyllables in yes or no, or very short sentences. No, both the things are not acceptable. Neither you can be verbose. What does verbose mean? Using too many words to explain a point of view or whatever you had to say, or yes or no is also not acceptable. So that is the clarity with which you have to speak. And the fourth C that is important in this power of expression is content. And the starting point for the other threes is this important point. What is the content? Whenever you write a SRT or a VAT or a TAT or SD, or you are talking to the interviewing officer, or you are taking part in the GTO tasks, content is a very important aspect. So please pay a lot of attention to this content. In the subsequent videos, I will surely be covering up as to what content is required, where are you supposed to focus on in as part of your life or your GK or experience or your views, and that would help you in developing your personality greatly. And so with this task we have finished the 4 of the OLQs which are covered in the factor 1. So the next video which is going to come up, and please go through that would start covering the factor 2, which is again a very important factor in the whole SSB process. Thank you very much for watching my video fully.